Hey, my name is Lauren Stone, and I'm starting this YouTube channel because I am a weirdo who is a video game developer by day and kind of a small farmer by night. I have 1,000 square meters, which is about 1/4 of an acre of land that my house sits on, and I grow things in this greenhouse that I built in raised garden beds directly in the soil, and in hugelkultur, and in no-dig gardening beds. And yeah, I try to do things weird and experimental and learn from my mistakes, and I always overplant. I will show you what my greenhouse looks like right now. It is raining, so I was gonna do a full garden tour. It's not gonna happen today because it's just been really weird and windy and sad. This is July in Sweden. I'm originally from California. I do not understand this weather. So this is my greenhouse, which is currently insane, and these 4 Brussels sprouts that are in pots that I didn't put drainage holes in had to come in here so that they didn't completely drown and hate our lives. To kind of safeguard against that, I put about a 2 to 3 inch, or I guess that's like 5 centimeter. I still don't understand metric. Leak a block in the bottom so that it acts as a water reservoir, so that you don't overwater it and drown the roots out, so that it has a little bit of aeration in the base. So yeah, that's my trick, is put leca in the bottom if you don't want to drill holes in plastic. Thanks for coming to my channel.